To allow or deny Spotify explicit content in iPhone 14 Pro, open Spotify, find Spotify in home screen and then tap it. Next, tap settings icon, select explicit content and then on allow explicit content, tap switch until green to allow or tap switch until green to deny. Explicit content is labeled with the A tag. Tap switch until green to allow. Do you want to allow Spotify to use Face ID? This lets you set access restricted using Face ID. Tap OK if you sure. Or tap switch until green to turn off. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.